Hello, my name is Ariel Wright, and the strategy that I'm going to be talking about today is called two-column notes. Two-column notes is when a piece of paper is folded in half vertically as such. Once the paper is folded in half and you open it up, it will be a right column and a left-hand column. The left-hand column should be labeled key terms or phrases, and the right-hand column should be labeled details. The importance of this is because it will allow students to understand and organize their thoughts based off of the subheadings of the columns. This strategy can be utilized for all students who are learning about a new subject or trying to organize their thoughts because, again, this will clarify them about the supporting details for each term that they're learning or unfamiliar with. The skills learning that I will be discussing today will be 5.4. The students will expand on vocabulary when reading, use content to clarify meaning of unfamiliar words, and use sentence structure to determine meaning and differentiate amongst multi-meanings of words. I will also be targeting the Virginia Studies SOL Point 10. The students will be demonstrating knowledge of government, geography, and economics by identifying the three branches of government, of Virginia's government, and functions of each. Students can use, in my class, I would allow my students to use their journals or notebooks. In my classroom, I would ask students first to fold their papers in half just as such, and then when they open it up, they will be asked to label it key terms at the top and details on them at next to columns. As you can see, I have demonstrated by using one of the terms that I feel that will be important to learn, which is the General Assembly. On the right-hand side of my paper, I wrote the basic facts and details that I will have my students to remember about the General Assembly. For my specific content area, I would first allow my students to preview the text and see are there any bold words that they feel that will be discussed within the text. And then after that is determined, I would then have my students listen to me as I lecture or present a video to them where they're able to jot down a few notes about each term they have listed on their paper. At that same time, once the video or lecture is complete, I would then go back and reflect on the different terms and then clarify and give them more supporting details for that term. The purpose of this is so that they can get this term within their notes and they can then clarify it into a shorter version for them to be able to study and understand. Thank you so much.